how to buy MACK the MEOWING cat token. So this token came under the symbol of MACK, M-A-C-K. So before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description and get free money, rewards and crypto with the benefit referral codes. Simply use the code below, fund your account and enjoy benefits. Check them out in the description. So as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check the account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours, and the liquidity here unlocked by 900%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and open your virtual wallet. So this token address, it's under the Solana network. Now log into your account. Now after that, what you need to do, just click on this swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Here, make sure to type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slip pass from here, because the most issues came from slip pass. Switch it from here or customer, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy MACK token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.